In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to print from Canva. So, for example, I'm just here in the home page of Canva. What you want to do is go over here to templates and go ahead and click that. And just for an example, what we can do is I'm going to type in resume, and all kinds of templates are going to come up. It's important to know that there is a difference with the free templates and some of the templates that are part of the pro version. So just make sure that you're choosing one that's just free to use. So what I like to do here is go ahead and click on one of the templates, and you come to to this page where you're just about to check out. But go to this button where it says customize this template. And that's going to bring you to this area where you can customize it, change all the information, and make it your own, which is what you want to do. So after this is here and you've done everything that you want to do to print with Canva, it's really easy. You can either choose this button here, but I highly recommend you just download it and print it from your computer. So what you want to do is go to the share button at the top right corner and go ahead and click download. And then from here, your file type, make sure you pick PDF print because it is best for printing. Go ahead and hit download. And then that's going to download. And then go ahead and click on that. And your PDF is going to open on your computer, not through the Canva website. And then from here, you would just go ahead and print. I'll just print it. And that's it. That's how you would go about printing anything from Canva, on downloading it to your computer and printing it off of your printer. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.